I'm in the mood of encapsulating something today and also having some florals on the side. So I thought, why not do some floral nails?
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me.
Well, hey guys, today I am going to be doing my right hand. I am going to be using these coffin nails that I got from Shein. I will link the video up in the cards showing where I got these full covered tips. So I'm going to size these out and put them on off camera. So this is how the nails are looking on me. So these are the nails I will be doing. I will be recreating from Karina's Nails Rodriguez, I think, from Instagram. So hopefully I do them justice, because I'm just like, these are nice, but I don't know, everything that looks a bit simple isn't really that simple. Okay, so let me get into building the nails. And if you already know right now, I never really apply my nails all the way up to my cuticle areas. Some would call the epinicium area. I don't know which. I need to do my research. Okay, I need to do my research and actually find out what is the right term for that area close to my skin on my nails. So I am going to apply the nude onto my nail in a diagonal way, and I think I'm doing pretty good. Like, if you ask me, I feel like this is going pretty well. So I'm gonna do that for all the nails, and each nail, like you saw from the nail design, is gonna be different like colors. So, well, with the exception of the nude color, of course, because that is the base of every nail. I'm talking about the diagonal part. So yeah, let me just do this, and then I will come back when I'm done, and then see what I will encapsulate. So this is how the nails are looking as I am done with the diagonal parts of each nail, and now I am just going to wipe that part because I don't know if it's the alcohol or what, but yeah, I don't know what is the dry part there, and we don't want to keep it there because this part of the nails is gonna be clear. So firstly, for my thumb, I want to go for this purple blue color. So I don't have any purple blue flowers or dry flowers or anything, but I do have these stickers. I do know that these stickers are quite clear. They have they're transparent. So hopefully they do something, okay? And I am going to use the glitter that I got from Shein. I think this is one of the first glitters. In fact, yes, this was my very first Shein order. I don't even think I filmed for my first Shein order. I literally was just testing the waters, and when the things got to my house, I was like, ooh, okay. And then that's when I started going ham on Shein. But literally, this is one of my Shein, in fact, my very first Shein order, I got these glitters. And then for my index finger, I am going to be using this orange yellow looking I want to say they're not dried flowers because they're paper. And I also got these from Shein as well. And then I want to use this glitter as well. So basically I saw from the picture that there's dried flowers, there's a bit of glitter, and there's butterflies. So that's why you see me using not paper flowers or stickers with a little bit of glitter, not to overpower the nail, and also the butterflies. And I'm using base coat to adhere everything, because I am not good with adhering anything with acrylic. Okay, if you haven't watched my money nails, go watch it, then you'll see how much I struggle. I literally do, and I would love to learn how to do that. I wish I could get to a point where I can encapsulate things or adhere sequins and stuff just using acrylic, but I'm not there. Okay, so I am going to be using base coats, and then I am going to encapsulate everything. And then for my pink nails, I am going to use like these type of stickers, very similar to the ones that I use on my thumb, very transparent, but I don't have any like paper flowers or whatever. But you know, they see through, as you can see, so I'm just like, it's cute, it's fine, even though I can't see much of it, it is still cute. So yeah, that's exactly what I am gonna do. Basically doing the same thing on all 5 fingers, just with different colors and different stickers or paper plants or whatever.
Tell me, Travis, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile?
So basically with these paper, you know, leaves, I do try to bend them, but they're quite hard because they're a bit thicker, they're on the thicker side, but I did try to bend them so that they, you know, hug the nail, and also that when I encapsulate and then come to the filing parts, I don't file into anything. But I was like, you know what, it's okay. I might as well just have to just encapsulate like this, and then whatever gets filed off will get filed off at this point. So
I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
Here I am just encapsulating the nails, and that's exactly what I am going to do with all the nails. I'm going to try and work with wetter beads because I heard that I've learned that when you use wetter clear beads, they become more clear. Like they're not as cloudy as if you were to use like drier beads, and also you don't have much bubbles when you use wetter beads. So I'm learning, it's a learning curve, very interesting learning curve, I must say. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do for all my fingers.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type of shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Breaking up a day for you. Sweet little nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right.
Now this is how all the nails are looking. They are a bit bulky, too bulky for my liking. I am going to use a nail drill to debulk these nails before I go in with a hand file to snatch up the, you know, the shape of the nails. I definitely have to, you know, learn to start using my nail drill more, because I hurt my I won't say hurt my feelings. I hurt my fingers. I hurt my you know, my skin area with these nail files when I get too rough sometimes. So I just thought, okay, no, I might have to learn using these nail drills and actually be gentle myself, and then use the hand files to snatch up the areas, because I stay away from nail drills because I feel like I don't have much control, and sometimes I file too much and there's dips in the nails. So I just thought, okay, no, maybe let me be a little bit light-handed and then use the hand file to, you know, snatch the areas, so that if there's any dips in the nails, the hand file will just, you know, level it out. And this is how the nails are looking after I have filed down the nails, both with my nail drill and my hand file. And I like these. I really like this. And now I'm just going to go on with the buffer, the buffing block, to remove some of those scratches. Yeah, I don't have much buffing blocks left, actually. I think this is the only one that's left. and I think it's finished because it doesn't really do much of the job. You know, it doesn't remove much of the scratches, but it is what it is. Now going to the floral part of the nail designs, I am going to be using this Bling Girl acrylic that I got from China Mall, and I am gonna use glue to put on these rhinestones because, you know, the glue dries fast. I don't know if it's because it's hot, but it dries faster, and I'm not in the mood to be using glue gel and curing all the time. I put on these little rhinestones, but I am going to use the rhinestones as the center of my flowers, and I am going to do these flowers on all my nails using different color acrylics.
Got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed.
I feel like I was just in my zone doing all these flowers, but you know, you literally get in the zone. Like, this is very therapeutic for me, like I keep saying. But yeah, basically I've been using the Bling Girl acrylic colors, as you saw. And then for this pink, this is a custom pink. I mixed a pink and white, so that because the pink that I got here is a bit translucent, so I mix it with a bit of white so that it's not too transparent and all that, and then it gives me like a nice pink. And I also mix it with another Bling Girl pink that is really bright and, you know, pigmented. So yeah, I did custom make this one, and that's why it's in the container that is in. So yeah, and then other than that, all the colors that I've used for all my flowers are from Bling Girl. And if I haven't linked the China Mall video up in the cards already, where I show me getting these, I will link that video right now. That's if I haven't linked that already. But so far, I just feel like I'm not sure, I'm not really happy about how my flowers are going. I just feel like I put them too close to the line, and maybe I should have just, you know, centered all my flowers by the nude parts. But let's see how that goes, because especially my index finger, I don't feel like I'm happy with it. But yeah.
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, Tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile?
This is how the nails are looking, and as you can see, this is what I was talking about. I'm not really happy about how the flowers are going. I literally covered the horizontal line altogether because on the design, the horizontal, I mean the diagonal line rather is outlined with a white gel color. I don't even think I will be able to do that with this nail design because I literally just covered the nail set with, the diagonal lines with the flowers. So I'm just guessing this will be my version of the nails. But yeah, I really wanted to, recreate the nails to the T. But I think my favorite would be the thumb. Maybe it's because my thumb is really wide. So there is much more room to play on with this thumb. But yeah, for my least favorite is my index finger because of the flowers, like the way I don't think I didn't do it right, okay? But it's art, So I just need to be lenient on myself and just tell myself it's art, it's okay. So yeah, I'm just top coating my nails, as you can see. I don't want to top coat the flowers. I want to top coat the rest of the nails. I want to leave my flowers matte. Although I feel like the Bling Girl acrylics have a bit of a shine to them to some extent. I don't know why. I don't know if all acrylics are like that, but I kind of feel like it has a little bit of its own shine, but I am not going to top coat the flowers. I am going to top coat every other part of the nail. And I also feel like my encapsulated area isn't as clear as I wanted it to be, but you know what, I am trying so hard not to be negatively critical towards myself. But this is how the nails are looking. I'm actually liking the nail set as much as, yes, it didn't really turn out the way I had planned it to. I am loving the nail set. So let me just apply cuticle oil onto my nails and show you the final look of the nails so that my cuticles aren't that crusty. Okay. But yeah, if you guys have any constructive criticism to give to me, please let me know and please leave them in the comment section down below. If you're still watching this far, please leave any flower emoji to show me that you're still watching this far, and I really appreciate you for sticking around. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that.